Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi! This is your girl, Tara Love Diva, and Happy New Year's. I done filmed this thing like 18 times. I don't know what was going on with my camera lighting, but it just kept going in and out and so much stuff going on. But anyway, Happy New Year's. Today is January 18th, Wednesday, and it's 11 o'clock at night, people. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 11 p.m. I've been trying to film this video for the longest. So with that being said, this is my intro video, giving you an update on what my channel will still be in added on to. I'm still into beauty, fashion, and everything lifestyle, because that's my thing. But I don't know what got me back into journaling. And I plan and not journal, but I write journal what's going on in my mind and stuff like that. But I've been doing this since I was literally 11 years old. More so when I was 14, when I understood more about writing about my feelings. So I've been doing this forever. I've been writing in my journal consistent every day. That's just who I am. I'm not the arguing type. I'm not the fussing back and forth. I'm going to get quiet. I'm going to write in my journal, turn Luther on, and be like, that's it. Everybody knows to walk away. Especially when I get into Luther. When I turn Luther on, that means walk away. Sometimes I turn it on because I love to listen to Luther. I'm babbling. But the whole point is, I'm a journal. I love to write in my journals. I have planners and journals on my Amazon. This is not to sell a book because, you know, hey, it is what it is. But I do have planners and journals. I will have it in the link down below. I launched it back in November 4th is when I launched my first planner. Be confident and believe in yourself. That's my first one, and that's going to be, that's been the number one thing right now, but all of them are selling. But with that being said, I'm still doing beauty. That's my thing. Fashion, I would kick it in when I'm doing the beauty part. And everything lifestyle, I think I'm going to switch the everything lifestyle to my Tara Love Diva TV channel, which will be with the cooking and everything lifestyle. Because that way I will separate what I'm doing now versus what I used to do. So with that being said, we're going to get into journaling. As you can see behind me, I have my Louis Vuitton, the PM, the MM, and the GM planner. And the tall one is a tablet cover, which I'm going to turn it into a planner. I think I did a video on it. No, I lost that video. But anywho, I revamped that from a tablet cover to a planner. So with that being said, we're going to be having a lot of fun planning and journaling and being creative in my bullet journals and, you know, stuff like that. I was asked to do a challenge, which is the PM and the MM and the GM planner challenge. I accept the planner challenge from, what's her name? Scraptastic. I think I'm pronouncing her name right without my glasses. But she started a challenge and I accepted the challenge. So now this is what I will be doing on my lovely Tara Love Diva channel. No, so before I get into all of that, if you are new, welcome to my channel. And if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. Do me a favor, pause the video and subscribe if you have any questions or ideas on planning and stuff, because we're going to get into planning. I created my own inserts. I had some inserts sent to me, but I cut them up all wrong when I was printing them, so I'm gonna have to do it over. But anyway, We're going to work with the ones I created on Canva. I also made some book inserts, planner inserts, and we're going to go from there, which will be the next video coming up. So with that being said, let's have fun. I'm going to name each video based off of the stickers I use. If you're not into planning and planners, or you don't know what having fun creating planners and thing, I'm going to show you one. I am, like I said, I love to plan. That's my thing. Let's go with, where's my January? Oh. See, this is my colorful, this is my colorful planner. This is before I decided I wanted to do journaling. But here tells you everything that's color coordinated here. I have it on my Trello, but I don't really use the Trello much because I don't. This is journaling. You're playing around with stickers and you're just being creative with your days of the week and stuff like that. And once again, this is just a hobby. It's fun. Well, I thought it was a hobby. People have been purchasing my digital planners. So, with that being said, you have to book me in order to get that. But journaling, it's just fun for me. It's very creative. For an example, I created this. I'm going to have to keep it in the book so you can see it. I created this here. This here. Oh, I created the whole thing. This one here, we would we would do a flip through my planner, and I will tell you everything about my planner. And I'm going to record that today. That way, it'll be ready for me to upload. So, with that being said, welcome to my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. My quote of the day, I will put it coming up next. So thank you for watching.